Okay. Let me explain to you how behavior works by explaining the Fogg behavior model. The Fogg behavior model. Now, behavior happens when motivation, ability, and prompt come together at the same moment. It's going to take just about 2 minutes. All right. Let me draw the graphic. Now, on the vertical axis is motivation. It's a continuum. And it ranges from high, meaning the behavior is, you have a high motivation to do the behavior, to low motivation to do the behavior. That is on the vertical axis. On the horizontal axis is ability. If you have a high ability to do the behavior, we're going to say that we call it easy to do. You have a low ability to do the behavior, we're going to call it hard to do. Okay. Now let me give you an example. Supposing you wanted to donate to the Red Cross, right? If you have a high motivation and it's easy to do, you will be on the top right hand corner here. If you have a low motivation and it's harder to do, you will be on the lower hand corner here of the model. That means if there's a prompt for you to do the behavior, you are going to be over there. You won't do it. You will do the behavior. That's right here. If you are right here, you will not do the behavior. Okay. So now, next thing now is the action line. Okay. There is a relationship between motivation and ability. Relationship between motivation and ability. They are linked together by this line here. This line here, this is called the action line. As you notice, you see, if you are above this action line and you are prompted, you are likely to do the behavior. In this case, that will be what? That will be donating the blood. If you are below this action line, then if you are prompted, you will not do the behavior. Now, if you are below this action line and we want you to go above this action line, what are we going to do? We are going to either increase the motivation or we are going to make the behavior easier to do. That way, when prompted, you are most likely to do the behavior. Okay, now, let's summarize. In summary, right, this model applies to all behaviors. All behaviors. Therefore, for a behavior to happen, motivation, ability, and prompt need to come together at the same moment. Which means if any of these three is missing, behavior will not occur. Thank you.